Oh, Jason, how do we fix a creaking sound in their flooring when they step on it? Stop stepping on it?
Yeah, just step over it.
Go around it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's according to what's squeaking, is we got to figure out first, is it the wood floor or is it my subfloor?
Right.
That's kind of hard to figure out. If you can actually, when you step on the board, if you can see it move a little bit, it's probably your wood floor.
Right.
You can drill a hole, run a finish nail down through it, set it, putty it. Hopefully that takes care of it. The other option, if it's your subfloor, about the only way is to go underneath, if you can go underneath, and
Yeah.
run some screws
Yeah,
up.
ceiling
in there.
tile you can take
Right.
out or something where you can get to it. Yeah.
Run some screws up through your subfloor into the wood to pull them tight together. Just make sure the screw's not too long to go all the way through the wood.
Because that would be hard on socks. That would
Then
be
you'd rather have the squeak than the
squeaks aren't such a
yeah.
bad thing. And you got to remember, squeaks or creaks are only caused by movement. Okay, it's not a defect of the wood. It's not a defect. It's usually a nail or a screw that's allowed movement. Maybe there's been some moisture that caused an expansion. It's almost always fixable. Okay, if you've got a floating floor, like Jason said, if you see it move up and down, there's your cause. You got to fix it. Why is a floating floor moving up and down? Usually it's because it's hitting on a wall somewhere and you're trying to crowd too much floor into too little a space. So maybe you've got to pull your baseboard off and trim it a little.
Yeah.
Okay, did that sound smart there?
Yeah.
Did I? Cool.